Today we come up with the special banana snack recipe. It is a simple evening snack recipe. Firstly, cut the banana into small pieces and add to a mixer. Add 3 teaspoons sugar. Add some cardamom powder. Add some water and grind very well. Then add salt to taste. Add 1 cup of rice flour and knead well for few minutes until it's combined well. Take a pan, add 2 teaspoons ghee in it. Add coconut and fry well. Add some sugar and cook well. Next, pour some oil on the hand and make the dough into round shape. Add fillings and roll into round-shaped small balls. Put a dried grape into the ball. Take an idli cooker and put the balls into one by one. Cook very well. Now ready the tasty banana snack. Children and adults are always like it.